Jerry. Jerry, where are we? Where are we? Why are we in the car?
Hey, S. There's a vending machine here, yo. It's got some food, it's got some snacks and some water in it.
Wait, Jerry, that vending machine wasn't here just a second ago. Where did it come from? Where did it come from, Jerry? Jerry, no, don't touch the vending machine. I don't trust it.
I need snacks, S.
Jerry, the machine needs money to work.
S, do you have fucking $5, man? I need a little bit of food right now, man. Oh, yes.
$5. It's my last $5. Okay.
Oh, yes. Finally, some water.
I thought you said you were getting food, Jerry. Where's the rest of my money?
Hey, S, man. Do you have a stogie that I could bum off of you?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah,
I have
thank you, dog.
stogies.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.